Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science. Community science platforms like iNaturalist contain hundreds of millions of wildlife photos, but a huge amount of valuable ecological information within them is essentially locked away. Beyond just identifying a species, these images capture behaviors, interactions, and habitats, but finding specific examples has required painstakingly slow manual inspection. To solve this, researchers created a new framework called INQUIRE-Search. It's an interactive system that lets scientists search massive image databases using natural language. For example, a scientist could simply type California condor with a green 26 tag on its wing to find specific, tagged individuals. The system is powered by advanced AI called vision language models, which are trained to understand the content of both images and text. This allows the AI to match a text query to the most relevant images in the database by understanding the concepts described. In one of 5 case studies, scientists used the tool to investigate the seasonal diets of different bird species. By searching for things like American robin with invertebrate in its mouth, they could gather data on what birds were eating in summer versus winter. The results from the AI search closely matched decades of data from established literature, but were gathered in a fraction of the time. Another powerful application was studying forest regrowth after the 2012 High Park fire in Colorado. Researchers searched for images of young coniferous trees in burned forest and young deciduous trees in burned forest. They were able to find a relationship between the severity of the fire and which types of trees were growing back, providing valuable insights for forest management. The system can also be used to study more somber, but critical, ecological events like wildlife mortality. Researchers compared photos of dead birds in an urban area, Boston, versus a rural area in Massachusetts. This revealed different seasonal patterns, with urban mortality peaking during migration seasons, likely due to building collisions. Perhaps one of the most exciting case studies involved identifying individual humpback whales. Whales have unique patterns on their tail flukes, like a fingerprint. Using the search query, white underside of humpback whale fluke, researchers could quickly find clear, identifiable photos from iNaturalist. They then used another AI model to match these photos to individuals in an existing whale tracking database called Happy Whale. This effectively added new sightings to the records of known whales, helping to map their movements and habitat use across the ocean. So let's recap what this all means. INQUIRE-Search transforms community-sourced imagery from simple observations into a vast, searchable database of scientific evidence. It accelerates ecological discovery by allowing scientists to ask and answer questions that would have previously required immense field effort or months of manual screening. This makes the entire scientific process more interactive, efficient, and scalable. Looking to the future, this approach could be expanded beyond iNaturalist to other large image collections, like camera trap datasets. It represents a new paradigm for ecological research, where hypothesis testing and data collection can happen within a single, unified system. Ultimately, it empowers scientists to better understand and protect our planet's biodiversity in a rapidly changing world.